Oh, my jeans. Oh, fuck.
No, I'm sturdy like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knocking money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket, engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to another one. We're out exploring again. Yo, so we're here in Billionares Row, abandoned mansions. There's about 66 mansions that are abandoned here on this road, and it is the most expensive road in London. Here's the first look when you get in. Boom. Oh, that's mad. Hey, that's mental. The fuck? What's that? Wait, this is crazy. Oh shit. Oh. And I bet that's the best bit. And now you can get through here, look. They made a hole so you can get through there. Oh snap. Oh, grab that.
They're recording?
Yeah. Sick. So we're in on the other side. Hey, look at that. Sick. Oi. Jesus. Tiago, come here. Yeah. I just heard something moving there. Oh shit! It was. I just heard something. Did you jump through that? No way. You're brave. Wait. The place is massive. Going for a piss? At least he went to the toilet. This is sketchy. We just got to be careful when walking around these places.
Oh, there you go. Did you actually piss it? Yeah. You didn't fucking close the door. They just did it close it behind me.
Oh shit. Can't actually see any. This is a maze. Sick. Didn't think I need my light in here because we're here during the daytime. Yeah. Let's see what's down here. Unknown soldier.
Upstairs saying voice.
There's not. Oh, there's a fucking basement. Yeah.
One setup.
Oh no, sorry, never mind. It's just the garden exit. Oh, they got bare toilets here. Boiler room. Oh. Kitchen. Smashed up. I don't know, he just ran off. Fucking hell, this is the main entrance of the house. stuff left. Wait, let me turn up the ISO so you guys can actually see. That's mad. I should have brought my light, man. So this would be the main door. I just had stuff on my finger. Sorry. Stuff on my finger, stuff on my foot. I don't think it's got one. I thought it did. Oh snap. Loads of old furniture. Oh. Hey, look at that. Oh, you know, some of these things could have been worth hundreds. Oh, do you want to give me that flashlight instead of my phone? Because my phone's rubbish. I left my light in my bag. Oh yeah, much better. They can actually see. Right, this stuff used to cost a lot of money back in the day. Black bandana. What do you think? Better than the hospital?
Some empty tin, you know. You might have some money.
Patrol in this area, so
Pardon?
can't stay for long though.
Yeah. 100%.
What? Did you say?
We can't stay here for long
Why?
because of the patrols. Whole buildings, whole floors falling apart.
Did you guys check out the basement?
Nah, there ain't one. I think. I don't think so.
Found one.
You did?
Up ahead.
Nah, that goes out to the garden, bro.
Oh, there's one that goes down.
What? This one?
No, straight ahead on the left.
No way.
No. I didn't have a light. I wasn't trying to go there on the wall.
Nah, fam.
What do you mean no? Is it not going down?
Nah, it's just a cupboard.
Oh shit.
There he is. I'm going back upstairs. Sorry, I'm just messing about with the ISO because I bring it up so you guys can see, but I borrowed Simon's. Oh shit. Yeah. Up, yeah. It's literally just a room. Ah, I've been in this bit already. Haven't really explored the other side of the... Oh, okay. Funny. That is mad dangerous. Oh, look at that. Fucking hell. That's mad. Gotta be careful in these types of places. Don't know what this shit's for. Ow. Alright, back through. Back through here. Ah. No. My jeans. Oh, fuck. I just ripped my jeans. Bastard. They're my favourite ones. Loads of glass. Oh, I haven't been in this one. Big room. I'm going to do a little tidy up. Also try to stay away from the windows.
that understood? There must be one here still.
We haven't walked around on this side of the building yet. Oh no, we have been in this bit. I've been in this bit. That's how we got in. Oh snap, what is this? Dead bodies. Oh, what's this? We haven't been in here. Sorry guys. Ooh, I accidentally turned it off to photo mode. I'm not gonna lie, there isn't anything that what a dickhead. There isn't anything that I'd actually want to take photos of. Look, it's Rick. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I'm not going down there. Yeah, keep down. Where is it? It's not even that dark.
How are you gonna have this much money in a house like this though? Real talk.
Bro, I ripped my jeans going through the hole. How'd you get over that?
What?
Oh. Yeah. Oh. That's mad sketchy. I would not do that. I'd rather go through the hole, yeah. I ripped my jeans because of the hole. I think that's about it for the mansion, I'm not gonna lie. I think so. All I need is one of you guys to take a photo of me in between those curtains and we're good. Alright guys, we'll catch you in a second once we take a photo. See ya. Alright guys, we're getting out of here. Nice quick little explore. One thing I do regret is not coming in earlier and seeing the other houses that were here, but we got it too late. They were already knocked down, so on to the next one. Yeah, what's happening guys? Hope you enjoyed that episode. We just hit an abandoned rugby clubhouse. We're gonna take out a barbecue and relax for a bit. And yeah, we're gonna end it like we always do. Stay safe, ride safe. See you in the next one.
Just picked up some bands, come again.